Excited ka na bang mag-unbox ng latest mobile phone, camera lenses, or any other gadgets? Hindi ba mas deserve natin ang maganda at napaghandaang feature? Ano nga bang magandang diskarte once you receive your Christmas bonus? Let's find out. I'm Irene Rey and welcome to my channel. Now is the ideal time for you to pay off your debt or at least reduce them. Kung meron kang utang na hindi pa nababayaran, ano pang hinihintay mo? Bayaran mo na sila. Bago mag-shopping, at least wala ka nang isipin, di ba? Kailangan din naman ng pera ng pinagkakautangan mo for them to buy gift for their loved ones at also para meron silang maihanda sa pag nila sa Noche Buena, di ba? So ikaw, ang ganda-ganda ng lifestyle mo, ang perfect, di ba? Napakagarbo. Pero meron pumupunta sa bahay mo para singilin ka. Di ba parang ang off nun? Second is to use it as a capital to fund a business. Huwag niyong hayaan na matulog yung pera niyo sa bahay or sa alkansya or sa savings account because, ang liit lang ng interest na makukuha natin doon. Well, not unless siguro kung meron kang milyones, that still depends sa laman ng account niyo. Pero bilang isang mamayang Pilipino, di ba, the figures are not very significant. So, magsimula kayo ng negosyo na kung saan alam niyo mapapalago niyo kung ano yung meron kayo ngayon. Third is to build an emergency fund. Recovering from illness entails medical costs. Kung wala kang emergency fund, you will be forced to spend the money that normally pays for your living expenses. According to the experts, your emergency fund should be equivalent to at least 3 to 6 months worth of your salary. Again, bilang isang normal na mamayang Pilipino, saan mo kakamutin yung 6 times ng sweldo mo? Lalo na kung gustong-gusto mo na mag-resign, di ba? Walang magsusuporta sa'yo sa loob ng 3 o 6 na buwan na wala kang trabaho. O kaya naman sabihin natin na merong emergency, sino magpapahiram sa'yo or willing ka bang lumubog sa utang dahil wala kang emergency fund? Lastly is to invest. For me, 3 things fall under this category. First is to invest in home essentials, such as yung mga appliances na merong lower energy consumption or kung medyo maganda ang bigayan sa opisina ninyo, di ba? So, bakit hindi ka magpa-install ng solar panels para at least ma-achieve mo yung zero Meralco bill eventually in the long run? Second is to invest in self-growth. It simply means investing in yourself. So again, sasabihin ko na naman, mag-upskill kayo. Take some courses o kaya bilhin mo na yung libro na gusto mong bilhin na sa tingin mo ay makakatulong sa self-development mo, sa self-growth mo. Mag-invest ka dyan. Lastly is to invest in your future. We should consider thinking of a long-term na, for example, sabihin natin you're gonna purchase insurance, investments, or pensions which you might be needing 30 years from now or maybe sooner. For some people, they will consider it as a liability pero believe me, it's not. So whatever happens, you are covered. Kahit anumang mangyari, di ba? Hindi ka stress sa pag-iisip kung paano or saan ka kukuha ng pera lalo na kapag nagkasakit ka. So look for a trusted financial advisor that may help you na malinawan kung ano man yung mga produkto na to kasi not all of us are open-minded sa mga ganong bagay. Pero talk to your friends, talk to anybody you know na pwede makapag-explain sa inyo kung ano ba yung certain na investment or certain insurance na kailangan ninyo because kung hindi nyo aalamin yung isang bagay, paano nyo matututunan at maiintindihan. And that's it. I hope you learned something from this video. And if you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell beside it for you to be notified every time we have a new upload. And before we finally end, let me just say that you must gain control over your money or the lack of it will forever control you. I'm Irene Rey and I'll see you on my next one. Bye-bye!